How to use the Continuum time machine waves. In order to find golden opportunities, you're looking for confluences of two or more waves. You can find financial and romantic golden opportunities, life-changing opportunities this way. To know when you will get your next financial life-changing opportunity, find the date where the green, red, and orange lines peak above 80 points. This happens only once every 4 to 7 years. This is why Bill Gates keeps saying that you overestimate what you can accomplish in 3 years, and you underestimate what you can accomplish in 10 years. Because in 10 years, you will have had the only 2 golden life-changing opportunities that come to you every 12 years. To know when you will get your next romantic life-changing opportunity, you are looking for a confluence of green, teal, and orange lines. This is when you will meet your soulmate. But at this time, you will actually meet many people because you will be at peak attractiveness. To find your soulmate amongst all the people that are drawn to you, you will have to use the harmonic resonance algorithm found at futureview.app/compatibility. Additional layers, including where these opportunities will occur and what events will coincide with these opportunities, are for premium members only. When any of these waves go below -50 points, you will experience chaos, discomfort, and even pain. In these cases, you need to do 2 things. First, because the pain is caused by dissonance, you will need to delegate your decision-making and work to other people who are harmonic with the universe during these times. Second, you need to surround yourself with people who deflect the dissonant energy from the universe and supercharge you. You will find them in your member dashboard. Contact them. They are your romantic and financial soulmates. Click the button below for more support.